Committee came up with yesterday. I wonder what your impressions are when you saw how the zoning went.
Well, thank you very much. I don't have a choice. I believe in party supremacy, and that is the position of the party. And so, as someone or as a lawmaker who does believe in party supremacy, I wouldn't have a choice than to automatically key into what the position are or is as far as the House of Rep is concerned.
The question is, does it represent fairness and justice from your point of view?
He does, absolutely. He does. We have 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. We all know where the president-elect is from. From the south, we have going by the position of the National Working Committee. The Senate President will be coming from the south. The deputy, the Speaker will be coming from the northwest, Tajudeen to be specific, and the deputy speaker will be coming from the southeast. Again, we have the deputy Senate president that will be coming from the northwest also. I definitely don't have any problem with that, because that is the position of the party. And as a party man, I don't have a choice. I have to key into what my party says.
It was part of the position held in a meeting that the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu held with the party faithful in Abuja, in which he said that what we wanted for the party is a consensus. And so, do you think that this has crystallized the decision that he spearheaded at the meeting?
Yeah, I absolutely think that has been crystallized.
All right, Honorable Tajudeen, we understand from the reports we're getting that the opposition are also organizing themselves to field candidates for leadership of the House of Representatives. I wonder how, because if we check the numbers of the opposition coming together, the PDP, NNPP, Labour Party, YPP, ADC, and all of that put together, have about 183 members, and the ruling party, the APC, has 177 members. So if you jig them against each other, it seems the opposition together have more members. How will this play out in the scheme of things going forward?
Thank you very much. I don't think that's your position that you are trying to canvass now is certainly what is going to happen at the floor of the House come the 5th or the 13th of June, as the case may be. Why am I saying this? We have an outfit that is called